Hi, friend. Today is very unplanned, but I didn't want to not show up. I have been showing up on here on specifically Style Rebel Mama. We're actually broadcasting in two places today, Style Rebel Mama and Stylishly Branding with Ginna. And on Style Rebel Mama, if you've been following along for some time, you know I'm on here every Wednesday, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and today I almost didn't make it. And I decided I have to show up. I have to share a little story because hopefully it will help you to show up in your own life and your own business. And you can know that you are absolutely awesome. So if you're watching this on Style Rebel Mama, on Stylishly Branding with Ginna. Welcome. If you're brand new to either one of these pages, I'm so happy that you have found me and hopefully we can connect more. I am a personal stylist, image consultant, and social media brand amplifier and mentor to women in business, female entrepreneurs, small business owners, women just like you, just like myself, that are looking for ways for some real guidance to not only elevate our own personal style, but how to use our personal style in a way that aligns with our business, with our passion, with our energy, so that we can show up to the world and connect with the right people in our business. So, with that said, I told myself today I am not going to not show up whether somebody comes on live or not. And so if you're actually watching this on the replay, give me a hashtag sparkle because you still matter, even if you're not on live. And if you have any questions, I always come back and watch them today and answer them. Sorry. Today's going to be a little bit not as organized. Okay. I'm just going to speak truly without an outline, truly from my heart, because I feel I'm feeling this in the air. This is the energy I want to put out today. And I want to share with you something that happened to me, has been happening to me over the past few days. I won't go into super detail, but do you have those times in your life, in your business, where you feel like there's just this dark cloud? Maybe things have been going really well for some time, right? And then all of a sudden, something drastic happens. And what do you do? Do you typically stay in bed? Do you not get up? Do you not eat? Or maybe you overindulge in ice cream, or maybe you just stay in bed and binge on Netflix all day. You don't pick up the phone, you cancel your appointments, right? We do that. I've done that. And the only one that hurts is you. So over the last few days, I've been experiencing within my business, we had some major, really bad things happen where we were violated in our business. So digitally, okay, which is a big deal. It's a big deal, especially for a social media marketing agency that's responsible for other people's accounts. And also for somebody like myself who has access to a lot of other people's assets, right? And so this can be a very scary moment. There are a lot of bad people in this world, unfortunately, but I also know that there are a lot of very good people. And so I, because of that, I couldn't neglect everybody that I need to show up to all of you, right? Nobody's on right now, but all of you that will be watching on the replay, to my own communities here on this platform, to my family, to my children, to my husband, to my friends. I really just didn't want to show up. I haven't wanted to show up in a few days. And problems don't go away when you don't show up anyways. So let me make them better. So what I wanted you to know, and I hope that this inspires you and motivates you. I know I come on here on Style Rebel Mama weekly and I'm talking about ways to elevate your style so that you can feel more confident and put yourself out there in the world, show up to those that matter, right? It's so important how we show up and when we show up, and to make sure to not let ourselves get ourselves down and not let those limiting beliefs creep up and take over. And although that definitely was something that I had to internally battle over the last 72 hours, I decided I'm still going to show up. And I'm so happy that I did, because the energy, the positive energy that has come throughout these few days, even though there's a lot of nasty stuff that I have to deal with and scary stuff to deal with, I'm happy that I still got up, I got dressed, I put on some makeup, and I showed up. And I want you to do the same in those moments where you're having a really, really tough time and feel as if I just I can't do this. We all have those moments, right? I promise you that those moments are temporary and they get better. So, with that said, I want to share with you something that just came into my um, world, and something that recently came into my world that maybe you haven't seen yet. So there's two resources that I really want you to consider. Um, they're not free, but they are amazing. Okay. And they're valuable as to what you can gain from these. So I'm going to start with one that just came to my doorstep yesterday, and I was so excited when I got it, because this is actually something that my own mentor and coach recently published, and I thought it would be so fitting for both of these communities inside of Style Rebel Mama and Stylishly Branding, for all of you amazing women. And if you have children, this is even better. So, my mentor and coach, Molly Mahoney, just recently published this amazing book. And for those that have been following me for some time, you know how passionate I am to share that you are awesome and you are unique. And how fitting is this? So, this actually looks like a children's book. It is, but it can also be an adult book that can teach us a lot. And it is, again, by Molly Mahoney as well as Evie Jones. You can find it on Amazon. Um, Finding My Awesome Confidence, Self Love, and Joy. And Molly teaches how to stand out on social media, which is something very similar to what I teach, but she's amazing. Her energy and what she puts out there, the positivity and the human effect that she has on others, is so captivating and magnetizing that I had to share her book. And I haven't had a chance to fully read it. It's not like it's, that hard, but because I literally just got it on my doorstep last night, but I wanted to read something to you. So, did you know you are awesome? Don't believe me? Well, then let me take you on what my grandpa calls a quest of awesome. So you can find all that is absolutely awesome about and around you. By finding and celebrating the awesome that is already within you, you will find confidence, self-love, and joy. And best of all, once you have found your awesome, you can help inspire others to find their awesome too. And so when you find your awesome and you truly embrace your awesomeness, okay, these times of adversity, times that you have to overcome mediocrity, are easier to get through because you are confident in your own awesomeness, in the self love that you have for yourself, and you have more joy. And so, even again, when you're dealing with those moments, you want to be able to really understand why you are so awesome and how, just again, finding your awesome brings you more confidence, self-love, and joy. So with that said, I also wanted to share with you that for all of those that, especially that helped me get to bestseller, so my book launched a couple of weeks ago, and if you drop hashtag books down below, I will send you a message on, first of all, how to get both of these. But when you get this one personally from me, not through Amazon, okay? So this one you can also purchase directly through me. I will send you a personalized copy of it. So I'm going to personalize it, and you're going to get a little extra goodie in your package, plus $8 of each of these books is going towards an amazing nonprofit organization that just recently started over the last few months that I'm helping support. And it's to help nurses around the country, to help provide them with gifts and better, healthier options on keeping their energy, keeping them active throughout their long days for caring for others right now. And so just drop hashtag books down below, and I will give you all the info on how to get both of these. But just know that this one, it is on Amazon, but if you purchase it directly through me, which you'll get in my message, you'll get the link on how to do that. I will send you a personalized copy, and part of the proceeds are going to go towards the Blue Ribbon movement for nurses. Okay, so I want you to know that. But this I really wanted to highlight also today because I just felt personally dealing with some of these business issues that we're having internally. And how I definitely could have taken that moment to just, let me cancel everything that I have going on this week. If you noticed, there was no pre-planning of my weekly live stream on here, right? Or tomorrow on Stylishly Branding because of what's going on, but I still did not want to show up. And so when you have found your awesome, you have the confidence, the self-love and joy to not let those really, really tough times overtake showing up in your life, for your family, your friends, your children, your partner, for yourself, but also in your business. So drop a hashtag books and you'll get more info on these. And stay tuned as well, because coming up within, I can't even throw out a date just yet because we're still working out the details, but we are going to be doing a 5-day glow up to show up workshop with me where we're going to hang out for 5 days. I'm going to take you through how to elevate your awesomeness on social media as a personal brand. So if you're a woman in business, if you are an entrepreneur, if you're a consultant, a coach, a digital creator, in direct sales, you sell a product and you own it, this workshop is for you. 5 days, we're going to hang out, and each day you're going to learn, and we're actually going to implement steps to help you show up on social media as a personal brand. So not only am I going to help you develop your personal brand, which AKA is you. So I'm not talking about logos and fonts and colors like that. I'm talking about putting all of your awesomeness together to show up on social media. We're also going to work on your personal style, rediscovering your personal style so that it aligns with your brand, so that you show up on camera, whether it's on video or pictures, or meetings or presentations, or maybe you have a workshop that you want to do, but how to show up on camera in a way that's going to make an impact and get you those connections with the right people. I'm going to show you how to create content without overwhelm, how to talk to people without feeling icky and salesy. So it's 5 days of hanging out with me. Okay. So if you're up for that and you want to get on the wait list for that, drop hashtag glow down below, and I will also send you information on how to get on the wait list for that. Okay. So have an awesome day. And remember, Find Your Awesome. This book will help you. It's super cute inside, a great read. And if you want to be inspired by not just myself, but there are another 17 amazing women inside of this book. We all share our stories on how we have overcome mediocrity in order to make a bigger impact, a positive impact in our own lives, both personally and professionally. You want to grab this book too. It's an amazing read. There are so many stories, just people from all over the world, but also different backgrounds, and different struggles that they went through, from women with breast cancer, women that were sexually violated, women that dealt with their own demons. And so this is a great read as well. All right. I will see you next week. And thank you so much for being here. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. And remember, hashtag books for more info on these, and hashtag glow to get on the wait list for the Glow Up to Show Up 5-day workshop. Bye, guys.